So some of you in Australia might have heard of the Kopi Luwak Coffee, sometimes also referred to as the cat poo coffee potentially. What we are about to experience, and this was off the tour, but we seize this as a bit of an opportunity, is to get a tour of the factory right here in Indonesia to see where this comes from. In Australia, I've been known to see this coffee sell for $50 a cup, so hopefully we get to see a bit of the process behind why it costs so much and find out exactly what it is all about and why it's such a fad back in Australia.
It's very famous coffee. Why the coffee special? Because this animal, they have good nose, good instinct. With the nose, they can select the best coffee bean. So they only eat the good quality. They select the best coffee only. They can select with the nose. And then they also eat fruit, banana, papaya. So good coffee and fruit eat together, mixing in the stomach. About 10 hours keep in the stomach. And the fermentation happen in the stomach animal. After 10 hours keep in the stomach in the morning, this is the poo. This is the poo. Don't worry, not smell. Not smell, sir. Not smell. You know, why not smell? Many good enzyme in the stomach animal, and this animal they eat fruit and coffee. So if you know fresh fruit coffee like cherry, like berry, the animal eat all of the fruit because the taste is sweet. But the bean insect is hard. So not chew, just swallow. Not digested in the stomach. You can hear. Green bean coffee insect in here.
Go inside.
Yeah. So after we collect from the ground from our coffee farm every morning, and then we wash with water many times. So in here before washing and come, and then after 1 week we dry, we are peeling the bean. We are remove the skin. This is green bean coffee. This is green bean coffee, and this is the skin. Green bean coffee, skin. Green bean coffee we are roasting, skin, throw away. So don't worry, don't imagine from the poo again. We make many process. From the poo, we wash, we dry, and then we are peeling the bean. Just put the bean inside. So in Indonesia, we make coffee with the powder, like instant coffee. We just put 1 teaspoon powder in the cup, and then with hot water, boil water. Like instant coffee, just 1 teaspoon with this. Eat together and chew. So 1 teaspoon for 1 cup, and then hot water, boil water. We don't use filter, we don't use coffee machine. After you drink, you will be find residue in the bottom. The residue in the bottom, don't throw away. You can add hot water again, you can mix second cup. See?
And then 1 pound sugar, and then add together and chew.
From the blue kind of machine in here.
What flavors are you tasting right now?
Coffee and sugar, surprisingly enough.
Delicious. So we're at the Kopi Luwak factory here in Yogyakarta, and it was a spare of the moment visit here, but I'm very glad we have come. We've seen the whole process from the coffee beans off the tree to the cats, and once the cats have eaten this very select coffee bean, you get the cat poo, and it comes out like this. This is actually the poo that's unwashed and it's bolted together like that, but they wash it off, and then once it is washed and dried a little bit, it comes out into this little item right here. Once that's done, then you get a roasted coffee bean that looks like this, just a standard coffee bean. What they recommend is if you get the coffee bean and the sugar, and you get 2 of those together, and a bit of sugar, it's good to go. Actually, that tastes delicious. You could put these 2 together in a trail mix bag, perhaps, and that'll get you through the day pretty easily with that amount of energy. It's pretty raw. From there, we got to try a delicious cup of pure coffee. Now, this cup of coffee would cost you in Australia about $50. Here, they're charging about $2, which is amazing, and it's straight from the source. But it is absolutely delicious. It's just a very unique and special flavour. And the reason why it costs so much is this whole process is done not only by the animals, but by hand. And having the select coffee processed the way it is and coming out this fresh, absolutely delicious. Cheers. Have you tried it before?
Yeah, twice before.
And what's this one like?
This is super strong.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's authentic.
I don't know about that. I'm not a coffee expert, but yeah. I've tried with the jaggery this time. Okay.
If you're a coffee connoisseur, do all your countrymen as Indians turn in their grave that you're not drinking the Queen's cup of tea?
Yeah, I mean
Yeah.
mostly it's there. Yeah, tea drinkers, yeah.
Yeah, I've had this before.
100 gram can be 20 cup like this, and the small 50 gram can be 10 cup. The price in rupiah for 100 gram 350,000. Not 1 million. 350,000 can be 20 cup, and the small half price 175 can be 10 cup. 175 can be 10 cup. And also when you buy, we give you information about the coffee, about the process in English, how to prepare in here. We take inside the boxes, and coconut sugar. The sugar also, if somebody likes sweet, you can cut with knife.
May as well experience it when you go. Delicious.